Today's date is May the 4th, 2016. We're Twins Talk Stocks, and today is Star Wars Day. May the 4th and 4th be with you. Activision Blizzard reports earnings Thursday, May 5th after the bell. It missed the earnings estimate last quarter. Before that, it had reeled off 6 straight beats. It has valuable franchises like Call of Duty and World of Warcraft. Call of Duty has a new game coming out later this year, and World of Warcraft movie hits theaters June 10th. Our favorite franchise is Guitar Hero. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. That was our favorite songs that we just made up. You see, they didn't really go well together. Yeah. Activision's trying to become a media company like Comcast and Disney. And who knows? Maybe in the future they'll have a theme park like Comcast Universal Studios or Disneyland or Walt Disney World. To capture more females and more mobile gamers, Activision paid $6 billion for Candy Crush Maker, King Digital, in February. King is expected to generate $2 billion in revenue in 2016 for Activision. It's diversifying its portfolio and generating more revenue from digital and mobile. We think Activision's earnings will rock. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like.